In today's video, we have a little bit of an American oddity. Yes, this is an Apex model 617. It is a little diddy handheld vacuum cleaner. We're going to see if it works and how it works in this video, really, and go through it and see what it needs to carry on working as it once did when it was new. So let's see if it tries to kill me or if it's going to be okay. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? We find ourselves on the floor because this thing is absolutely tiny. Tiny, tiny, tiny. It doesn't say what the wattage is. I imagine it's probably not a lot. An Apex hand vacuum. Never seen one of these before. Let us open up the Velcro cable tie, which reveals a very nice, possibly original, I don't know, ribbed flex with what seems to be a moulded plug on the end. It is an electrics. Any of you American viewers, come on, focus. Not going to. There it is, electrics. Plug. Very good indeed. We have a little bag, which is possibly quite full. Don't actually know. I haven't opened it since. Oh, that's okay. So there's little outer bag. Then this inner one, which doesn't seem to want to come out yet, so maybe we should just leave that for a second until we have to go into it, which I think we will. This thing has been dropping out dirt everywhere I go. There is the remains of a good housekeeping sticker there and there, and I'm wondering if it was ever red at some point. I haven't found anything about these anywhere. You can see the hood look is a chrome, but it's almost as if it's been varnished. I don't quite know. I think the thing to do is we'll plug in to the power. Well, it runs, but not terribly well, and it belched out dirt all over the shop. Ooh. Now instantly, I can see that is not particularly fab to see, and that is what I sort of knew was happening, because obviously I've had it up. So we'll get Benchy out. There he is, look, hello. You can stay on shot today, though. There's a vacuum with class, don't you know? I thought, whilst I wait for my cakes to cook, I'd start this video, mainly so I can sort of put it somewhere without it having to be out of the way. So we'll take off this screw. And that is fixed on there. Ah, there's the bell. There we go. So we'll take the felt. Oh gosh, well there's the brush roll. There's nothing really left on that at all. Crikey. And it still seems to suffer, actually, from what G-Tech today suffer from. This belt is a bit strange because it seems to be made of fibre. It's not a rubber belt at all. But it doesn't help us get into here. But I also don't really want to take it all apart yet. Let's turn Benchy on, mind your ears, and we'll see if we can pull that out. There we go. If I do that, there we go. What a curious little thing, isn't it? Oh, right. I've no idea if this is actually ever going to spin again. I don't see why it shouldn't, although I don't know how terrible that belt is. I also don't know what to replace it with, so you know what, we're going to put it back on for now. I mean, I can't imagine it's going to be very good even if it does spin. Like that. But it's on now. There we go, it sort of tries. Let's do this back up. This very long screw. And yeah, well, we may as well turn it on like this. Oh, it's trying, look! I don't know if I back the screw off. It's got some suction now. And now there's airflow. Bless it. Oh, isn't it cute? Apart from the lack of belt. Oh. Problem is though, this feels heavy. I think it is full of dirt. So I think I'm going to have to persevere. And take this off. Oh yes, look at that. You can tell. Oh, crumbs. I mean, I've no idea how the heck it all comes apart, and I'm going to get filthy finding out. Right, here is a metal rod, not metal rod, metal bar gasket thing. Oh, let's put this out the way. I think there might be another one in there somewhere. So I think we just need to fold the bag out over. Oh gosh. Well, that has worked in the past, isn't it? Gosh, that is a lot of dirt. A lot of dirt indeed. that's certainly a lot cleaner. It's a very thick, sort of fleecy material. Now that's how it comes off, just bound by wires. So getting it apart is going to be incredibly easy. I think that's when I'll do the main cleaning, is when it all comes apart. Because the outside of the bag is disgusting. So a good wash in hot water, although not in the washing machine because of that Apex logo. Hoping will perk it up a bit. That's very interesting. I've never seen that sort of bag arrangement before. Oh, now I'm going to get this back on. There we go, that'll do. You're not going to have a lot of dirt, although there is some here for it to pick up, which is good, although it's going to be picking it up on pretty much suction only. There we go, look. Oh. That's bless it is trying. But that works really, really well. I mean, we can even have a look at, say, the carbon brushes, which sit just under these little caps here. I mean, we have to find a little belt for it. I have no idea what we're going to use for that. But oh, there we go, look. Tiny little carbon brushes right there that go into a tiny little hole. Oh, Mr. Hooverlux is going to enjoy polishing this up. I can tell already. Oh, now I've got to get it back on. There we go, that'll do it. That'll do for both that and the before look at this Apex model 617, which I am going to go and do some research on to work out what the heck it is. If there's any chance of getting any spare parts for it at all in 2020, and if not, what we might be able to use instead. So, short video for a very small little vacuum cleaner. It's tiny. It makes a Hoover dust step look massive. I might have to get a dust step ready for when we next see this again, and we'll do a comparison. Because yeah, this is so tiny. I'm just going to use its Velcro tie to tie the cable away onto itself. There we go. Marvellous. Well, there we go. The Apex Model 617. First look before video. Thank you ever so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Please comment, like and subscribe. Have a look at my Amazon wish list if you would like to donate something to help me keep this motley crew of rubbish old cleaners going. And I shall see you soon. Bye bye.